What's up, guys? New video today. Something different. We're about to do a challenge. My son recording in the background, and hopefully it records me good. I've been thinking every time there's a reseller trying to resell some sneakers, there's always a young person out there that doesn't make that much money, but they really want those shoes. Today, I'm gonna do a challenge. I'll put myself in those people's shoes. We're gonna have a hustler's mentality. Let's see what we could do. I flip $50 and try to make $1,000 in a week. So we basically found this on OfferUp. My kids, we're about to go purchase this. About to go get like a little fur so that we could make it look nice. We're gonna try to flip it and double it. That we're just gonna keep doubling and doubling and doubling. So this is also gonna be a learning experience for my kids to hustle. It was a success. We ended up purchasing this for $25. That's a great deal. So now we're gonna list it up for $125. Let's see if somebody bites the hook, and the lowest will go, let's say 75. So we could at least 2x on this. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so here we got the tables, man. These tables actually look nicer than I thought. They're in great condition. It has that marble look. We're gonna try to set this up nice and list it up on OfferUp. See how much we could score off of this. I was on OfferUp and I seen a free marble coffee table, real marble. So we'll go over there, get that shit off this guy's hands, and list it up on OfferUp for around $200. So before I went to bed, I was like, man, this is probably gonna take forever. This is probably gonna take a month for me to sell it. Kind of lost faith for a little bit. Man, this is probably gonna be more of a challenge than I thought. Literally went to bed around 4 in the morning because I was doing YouTube videos for you guys. Woke up around 8 in the morning and I seen 2 messages on OfferUp. One of them was on offer for $20. I was like, what the fuck? Is this the person that I bought it off of, and he's just making fun of me because I'm trying to resell it or something? And the second offer was for $80. Guess which one I took? I took the $80 offer. But once we get that sold, we're gonna have $80 budget. From $25 to $80. Now let's look for an item that's around $200 and try to offer them $80. Let's go reel somebody in. I almost forgot, I also got that coffee table that I got for free, so that's gonna be all profit with that one. So hopefully I get an offer by the end of the day. Even if it's $30, I'm gonna take it because it's literally for free. All right, guys, I got good news and bad news. I was able to get a deal for $25 for these 2 table sets, sold them for $80. With those $80, I ended up buying these little chairs right here. So with those $80 that I got, I ended up buying these for $50. It's a set of bar stools for $50. In pretty good condition. I'm gonna try to get $100 for these, and we'll go from there. And I was able to get that free marble table. So here's a table that we got for free. It actually matches the couches that we have right here, and honestly the kids like it, so I don't think I'm gonna sell this. So we're gonna have to just take it as a little win since I got it for free. So here's the catch: the kids like the marble table. I'm most likely gonna have to keep the marble table. And those 2 chairs that I got, my girl likes them, but I want to sell them. Well, I basically got like $25 or $30 to spend. The goal is to try to sell those chairs so I can get more money so I can flip that to something else while I wait for the chairs to sell. I'm basically gonna start all over because basically my girl sold the freaking marble tables for me, and she spent the money on some shit for the kids without me knowing. And I was like, what the fuck? I was like, hey, where are those $80? Oh, I spent them for. I was like, God damn it, now I gotta start all over again. So basically, that marble table, we're keeping it. Those 2 chairs, we're gonna keep it while we sell them. But we're most likely gonna keep it because my girl really likes them. So after this, I'm not gonna let her keep nothing anymore. I'm gonna do this fucking video and flip all these things that I could. So we're back at $25, and stay tuned for part 2. This is the $1,000 challenge that is not gonna be possible in a week because the week already passed. So let's extend it for a month. Let's see if we can do it in a month. But honestly, if this wouldn't have gone wrong and my girl wouldn't have spent the dough and she wouldn't have liked the table or other chairs, we would have been at probably like already like at $200. So new video, fresh, with $25 in our pocket once again. Hey, but you guys see that things sell though. Things actually do sell. So don't be worried or scared to get things to try to flip. There's always going to be someone that needs that, you know what I'm saying? I remember one time it was hot as hell in San Diego and I didn't have a fan, and it was literally 11 p.m. at night, and I was like, god damn, the things that I would do to get a fan right now. And I was on OfferUp, like literally about to pay double the price for someone to wake their ass up to give me that fan. So at the end of the day, supply and demand makes a big deal in this world. So stay tuned for part 2, and we're gonna go harder than ever because it just basically motivated me that things do sell, and I want to prove to you guys that you guys are able to do anything you guys want in life if you guys put your mind into it.